Well, I said I'd update you if I found any particular good things or bad things about these cheap tools, and this sliding bevel, yeah, I mean, that sticks out, so you can't do the inside of an angle. I was going to help my friend who's building some built-in shelves for his cathedral roofed house, and I said, oh yeah, we'll just measure that angle. And no, you cannot measure the angle. Now, there's an awful lot of metal there. I did go in and see if I could have a look in Bunnings and see if this was a standard thing with these or whether they're all the same, but unfortunately they're all packed in such a way that you couldn't bend them to try. But I'm certain that, you know, you must be able to measure the angle there as well as here, and this is just not good for that. So I think I'm probably going to mark that and cut it off, and maybe even grind around a bit so that we can keep that, but it would still be good to have that angle straight up there. So yeah, I think that's what I'll be doing. Okay, so this was my idea. This is what I came up with. I cut it off with the angle grinder and then snipe that corner. I figure that way, if you have a bit of an obtuse angle there, you can line all that up, get it all right. And acute angle is a bit of a problem, but I figured that that was a worthwhile trade-off, because that way, if you've got that 90 there, you can draw a sharp corner into it. So yeah, that was my answer to a small problem, and yeah, I'm sure this will do everything I need it to do now. And the good thing is, I've only destroyed a $3 tool if something goes wrong with it. So yeah.